Hello violin players, and welcome to Pro Am Strings. This lesson is all about how you can learn to play fast notes. You can practice with me, and by the end of this lesson you will know what to do to get your playing faster. So here we go, let's go straight in. Now when we play fast notes, the movement comes from smaller movements in our right arm, in our bow arm. So you want to be as soft as possible with your bow hold first of all. I'm going on the D string just to show you. And now I'm going to use the smallest muscle group. So my fingers, like this. Or you might say your wrist is also good. And this is much quicker to bow compared with when you play with your arm. And look here now. See, this way the movement comes from my upper arm and it starts in my shoulder really, and my elbow goes forwards and backwards. That gives you a slower bow stroke, and lots of beginners play like this when they play faster notes. Now you want to come off that level of playing and see if you can keep your upper arm still and make your forearm softer and your wrist, and just shake your wrist like this, and that's all it is. And when you shake a wrist like this, my fingers are completely floppy and they just move along with the movement of the wrist, you see. So I'm holding my upper arm still and all I'm doing is shaking my hand. Like this. So without the bow, that just looks like that. Try that for yourself and see if you can get away from this and get on to that. And that is a completely different bow stroke, and it can go faster and faster. So I could go like this. You see, I can go faster and faster by shortening your bow strokes. Once you have achieved this more flexible bow stroke by shaking your wrist, for most people then the left hand becomes the limiting factor that stops you from playing faster. So what you can do then is start playing repeated notes. So I'm going to just play a scale of D major just to show you, and I'm going to play each note 8 times. So I'm going. You see, so I'm still doing this bow stroke. Now I want to go a little bit faster, and I'm going to play each note 4 times. So the same D major scale. Now I want to go a little bit faster still. So now I'm going to play each note 2 times. And the shorter my bow strokes become, the faster I can play. This is the way to get your playing faster very quickly. So summing up, soft in the right hand, avoid using your upper arm for playing your bow strokes. And then when you practice passages in your music, double up notes, like 8 times first, and then 4 times, and then 2 times before you play it as your passage in your music may be printed. And all of this, I'm having to say that again, doesn't come overnight. So practice this frequently for 3 to 6 weeks, and you'll find that your playing has got considerably faster. So let me know how you get on down in the comment section below, because it's interesting for me to see how you feel like after a couple of weeks of practicing this. Have you really got a lot faster? So I very much appreciate you watching today. Thank you very much for your time. If you've enjoyed this video, do please subscribe to the channel, and maybe you want to learn a little bit more about more advanced techniques of the violin, and in that case Henriette's Violin Club might be a good thing for you to consider. And Henriette's Violin Club is a membership club that have special videos that teach a bit more in-depth techniques for slightly more advanced players. So do please watch the video that I'm going to put up here and consider becoming a member of Henriette's Violin Club. Not only do you get to play more difficult, more extended material, also you support this channel by being a member. So thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next here.